You look so handsome.
You all may be seated, please. Friends and family, Megan and Chris, I'm honored to serve as your officiant today. Let me begin by saying that today is a celebration of your love, commitment, and friendship. It's a time to pause and look back and smile at all the moments that have brought you both here together today. And a time to look ahead to all the special moments that are still yet to come. And we're all here to celebrate your love story. A love story written by both of you, your own story. A story that will be based on your experiences. And it will not be just one moment, not even this moment. It's every moment from this day forward. Big ones like saying, I love you, or your ceremony today. But mostly a million little ones that come between the big moments, like falling asleep next to one another, making dinner together, spending holidays with your families, or getting a big hug when you come home from work. Moments like these fuse together into one lifelong experience. Declaration of intent. Megan and Chris, marriage is a full and voluntary commitment. It's made in the deepest sense to the exclusion of all others, and it's entered into with the desire and hope that it will last for forever. Before you declare your vows to one another, please confirm that it's your intention to be married today. So please take each other's hands and look not at me, but at each other. Chris, from this day forward, do you choose Megan to be your wife, your best friend, and your only love? To live together, play together, to laugh together, to work by her side and dream in her arms, to fill her heart and feed her soul, to always seek out the best in her, always loving her with all your heart until the end of your forever. Please acknowledge by saying, I do.
I do.
Megan, from this day forward, do you choose Chris to be your husband, your best friend, and your only love, to live together, to play together, and laugh together, to work by his side and dream in his arms, to fill his heart and to feed his soul, to always seek out the best in him, always loving him with all your heart until the end of your forever. Please acknowledge by saying, I do.
I absolutely do.
Chris, please repeat after me. I, Chris, take you, Megan.
I, Chris, take you, Megan.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
My partner in life.
My partner in life.
And my one true love.
And my one true love.
I will cherish our friendship.
I will cherish our friendship.
And love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
And love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will trust and honor you.
I will trust and honor you.
I will laugh with you and cry with you.
I will laugh with you and cry with you.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
Through good times and bad.
For good times and bad.
Whatever may come.
Whatever may come.
I'll always be there for you.
I'll always be there for you.
As I have given you my hand.
As I have given you my hand.
So I give you my life to keep.
So I give you my life to keep.
Megan, please repeat after me. I, Megan, take you, Chris.
I, Megan, take you, Chris.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
My partner in life.
My partner in life.
And my one true love.
My only love. My one true love.
I like yours better. I will cherish our friendship.
I will cherish our friendship.
And love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
And love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will trust and honor you.
I will trust and honor you.
I will laugh with you and cry with you.
I will laugh with you and cry with you.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
Through good times and bad.
Through good times and bad.
Whatever may come.
Whatever may come.
I will always be there for you.
I will always be there for you.
As I have given you my hand to hold.
As I have given you my hand to hold.
So I give you my life to keep.
So I give you my life to keep.
Megan and Chris, the giving and receiving of rings symbolizes your love for one another, which, like the circle, knows no end. Chris, please repeat after me and place the ring on Megan's finger. Megan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Megan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I will be faithful and honest with you.
I will be faithful and honest with you.
I will respect, love, and care for you.
I will respect, love, and care for you.
And I will share my life with you.
I will share my life with you.
Megan, please repeat after me and place the ring on Chris's finger. Chris, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Chris, I give you this as a symbol of my love.
I will be faithful and honest with you.
I will be faithful and honest to you.
I will respect, love, and care for you.
I will respect, love, and care for you.
And I will share my life with you.
And I will share my life with you.
Megan and Chris, you've expressed your love and commitment through your wedding vows and the exchanging of rings. Before I pronounce you husband and wife, I have just one more thing I'd like you to do. Your wedding day is one that will seemingly fly by. It's a day that will be filled with emotions, friends, rings, and perhaps even dancing. So I'd like you to take a moment and to look into each other's eyes. Think about the happiness that you're feeling in this place, in this moment in time.
Use this.
Let your feelings register in your heart and in your mind. Now I'd like you to think about your life together, projected out 20 years. Where are you? What are you doing? We all know that your visions of the future may not always be identical, but hopefully they'll always be complementary. John Lennon once said, "A dream alone is only a dream, but a dream together, that is reality." And for you both, that starts right now. Megan and Chris, may your love be a lifelong source of excitement, of commitment, of affection, of great respect, and devotion from one another from this day forward. And now, by the power vested in me, by the state of Florida, I now declare your husband and wife. Congratulations, Chris and Megan. You may now see your vows with a kiss.
You did better.
No.